Hey friends, if you encounter an advertisement while trying to use YouTube and play videos, however the ad blockers are not working, then I'll help you with the same. So as you can see, I'm not signed in right now, so there's no chance of me using YouTube Premium, and furthermore there's no premium written here. So I am encountering an advertisement. Now here's what I'll do. I'll click on these three dots at the top right corner. Then I'll go to extensions and I'll click on visit Google Web Store. Now in Google Web Store, I'll type the word ad block and I'll hit enter. So I encounter this one, ad block for YouTube. I'll click on it and I'll select add to Chrome and I'll click on add extension. Now this will need a few seconds for downloading, and once it has downloaded, I'll click on this option and I'll click here to check if it's activated. It says yes, ad blocking is activated. So after this, I will reload this page or simply press F5. As you can see, this video has played and it did not show any advertisement, but this may be one case, so I'll check with other videos. Video number 2, video number 3, video number 4, video number 5. Okay, it's loading and it loaded without that. Video number 6. So I was able to play 6 videos without an advertisement. This means that this ad blocker is working. I'll show once again which ad blocker this is. It is the ad block for YouTube ad blocker, the first one. Was this helpful? If this video was helpful, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then please let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching it and have a nice day.